In a world torn by war, one question remains: who will choose peace? Every soldier was someone's child first, someone's parent, someone's love. Nobody is born knowing how to hate. That is learned. But this is what we were before someone taught us different. 2.4 million Filipinos are in the Middle East tonight, working far from home, so their families wouldn't have to worry. And now, their families worry anyway.
God, I don't understand war, but I know you do. Please bring everyone home. Please.
What is a man fighting for, if the thing he's fighting for is waiting at home wondering when he's coming back? The greatest battle any soldier ever fights is the one to get home. What if the energy spent on war was spent on feeding instead, on building instead, on healing instead? How different would this world look by morning?
I have walked into burning buildings, I have carried people out of fires, and I can tell you from experience, nothing that starts with hate ever ends with peace. But everything that starts with one person choosing differently has a chance.
This is what peace looks like. Not the absence of conflict, but the presence of the people you love. Safe, home, together. This is not a fantasy, this is a choice. Made one person at a time, one family at a time, one nation at a time. Until the whole world remembers. We were made for this, not for war, for this. For every OFW far from home, for every soldier who wants to come back, for every family still waiting, for every child who doesn't understand war. May you never have to understand it. Choose peace.